If, like me, you've had it with the old normal, the new normal, and the new old new normal, then the Great Acceleration could be just your thing. Tomorrow, in the wild guise of the new extraordinary. Okay, there's a new in there, but it truly is new, as our 2022 Australian Trend Briefing reveals. Think equilibrium cities, and how our homes, streets, stores, and precincts are being re-engineered into holistic, whole-system sanctums. Consider the true potential of elastic brands that expand, contract, and cooperate with us beyond purpose, but towards meaning and the moment we live in. Imagine how you can make your brand relevant to a post-COVID consumer as we emerge from the pandemic. Not the everyday then, or the old new normal, but the new extraordinary and the new next great acceleration. Join us for our live stream 2022 Australian Trend Briefing.